Hardware.halebtech.com is a comprehensive reference platform for mobile repair technicians. It provides detailed information and component alternatives for all models, completely free. The website features a fast, practical interface designed to save time and effort. How it works? Choose the brand, Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, etc. Select the model or series, specify the function or component type, charging IC, CPU, LCD, etc., or simply search by the part number using the quick search bar and save time. The Join Us button connects you directly to the WhatsApp support team, where you can get answers, share your expertise, or request assistance. One of the key advantages of the platform is that it is dynamic and continuously growing thanks to contributions from technicians. You can easily add any new component through a simple submission form that requires name, part number, selecting the function from an extensive list covering everything.